the animal fair, so many to see. Elephants big and monkeys so free. Giraffes tall with necks so long. Lions proud with roars so strong. Chickens cluck and ducks do quack. Rabbits hop and goats have a snack. Parrots talk in colors bright. At the animal fair, a joyful sight.